Hello and welcome to today's daily message. Today, I want to just remind you that this evening at 7 p.m., Dr. Gary Bierman will make a presentation at the Activity Center on the topic of pastoral responses to adolescent depression and anxiety, preventing crisis and suicide in our church's youth. Let me read you Dr. Bierman's description of what his talk will be about. He says suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in the U.S. and the second leading cause of death among teenagers and young adults. With the rise of opiate addiction and other drug abuse, along with the legalization of marijuana, families are becoming increasingly concerned about their children. It is critical for family members to be aware of the early warning signs of suicide risk. In his presentation, Dr. Bierman will identify community resources to help us learn about depression and anxiety and how these can disrupt family life. He will discuss practical guidelines and helpful tools, as well as effective communication skills when addressing a family member with substance abuse, depression, and/or anxiety. The presentation is appropriate for both teens and adults. I hope that many of our parishioners will choose to attend Dr. Bierman's talk, which will certainly be enlightening, even if there are not members of our own immediate families who may suffer from depression or anxiety or be at risk of suicide. It's helpful, I think, always to be able to be aware of the risks involved and also to be aware of the signs of a young person who may be suffering from depression or anxiety. I hope you can join us this evening in the Activity Center at 7 p.m. And as always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.